Some of the most popular car mods in the world are secretly destroying your car. I'm not kidding. These mods are a ticking time bomb for your engine, your wallet, and your driver's license. Before you spend another dollar, you need to watch this video. Today, we're counting down the mods that are literal downgrades that will wreck your car. First up are the mods that are so dangerous they are completely illegal. At the top of the list is the Carolina Squat. You've seen them. The front of the truck is jacked up and the rear is slammed down. This mod is so dangerous that states like North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia have banned it. Why? Your visibility is gone. You can't see the road in front of you, and your headlights are now blinding every single person driving towards you. It's a guaranteed way to get a ticket or cause a wreck. Next is rollin' coal. This is where diesel truck owners tune their engines to puke out giant black clouds of smoke. This is federally illegal under the Clean Air Act. Forget the insane fines, you are actively murdering your engine by clogging everything with soot. That smoke can also completely blind the driver behind you, causing a massive pileup. Next are the mods that take brilliant engineering and throw it in the trash just for a look. I'm talking about extreme lowering, also known as stancing. The goal is to get the car as low as possible with tilted wheels. The result is a car that is basically undriveable. Your handling is completely ruined because your tires barely touch the road. We're talking a contact patch the size of a bicycle tire, which kills your traction and your ability to stop. You risk smashing your entire undercarriage on the smallest speed bump. This brings us to giant heavy wheels. Slapping massive wheels on your car adds a ton of unsprung weight. This makes your car feel slow and clumsy and puts huge stress on your wheel bearings and suspension, causing them to fail way faster. You are literally paying thousands of dollars to make your car worse. If you don't want to waste thousands of dollars destroying your car, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. It's free and it helps the channel more than you know. Okay, let's get back to it. This next group looks like a cheap and easy upgrade, but is a total waste of money. First, the muffler delete, or straight pipe. You chop off your muffler to sound loud, but the reality is it's illegal almost everywhere for being too loud, and will get you endless tickets. And on most cars, you might even lose power. Engines need a specific amount of back pressure to work right, and when you remove it, you can lose torque. Next is maybe the most dangerous mod on this list, a cheap ECU tune. The promise is tempting. Unlock 50 horsepower for a few $100, but this is how you blow up your engine. A cheap, sketchy tune is like playing Russian roulette with your pistons. It can push your engine way beyond its limits, leading to catastrophic failure. You are one bad move away from a $10,000 engine rebuild. Finally, we have the mods that do absolutely nothing for performance and make your car worthless when you try to sell it. This means fake stick-on vents, non-functional hood scoops, and putting fake badges on your car. The only thing these mods do is make you look silly and ruin your paint. When you go to sell the car, nobody wants it. This also goes for illegal and distracting lighting. Red and blue flashing lights will get you in serious trouble. And a bad wiring job can cause electrical problems for years, draining your battery and shorting out your car's systems. It's a massive headache that tanks your car's value. So there you have it. From the genuinely dangerous to the just plain useless, these mods only deliver repair bills and headaches. The point of modifying a car is to make it better. Be smart, buy good parts, and put safety first. Now I dare you to drop the absolute worst car mod you've ever seen in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and build smart.